Hi students, now the next topic is signed multiplication. Why we go for signed multiplication means in multiplication we have positive number and negative number. So compulsory we need to handle the both positive numbers and negative numbers. So for that purpose we discuss the topic signed multiplication. Okay, in that we have a booth algorithm is there. So in for example in this, see this, so this is the plus 13, see this is plus 13 minus 6. So how we are going to be multiply these two numbers means here it contains a positive number and a multiplier is a negative number. Okay, so before that we have to recoded the multiplier. So in order to handle the negative numbers we have to recoded the multiplier. Okay, so take one example. This is one multiplier. So how we are going to be recoded this multiplier we'll discuss right now. So as it is we have to write what is the multiplier, and the rightmost bit we have to add 0, that bit called as a impaired 0. Okay, so how we are going to be recoded multiplier means here, right? So if you take, so see this table, if you have 0 0, okay, that means ith place and I minus 1. If you have zeros then we write it as 0. And next one is if you have 0 1, then that we have to write that one it as plus 1. Next one, if you have 1 0, then that write it as minus 1. If you have 1 1, then write we have to write that it as 0. So see this in this. So first we have to compare this one towards left side. So this is one bit. So 0 to 0. So just now we discussed in that 0 to 0 we write it as, so we have to write that 0 in the below the ith bit. So this is the ith bit, this is the I minus 1 bit. So below that we have to write 0. Okay, next one, next again we have to take 0 to 0. So as usual 0 to 0 again 0. Next one, these two bits, that is 1 0. So what is 1 0? Okay, minus 1. Okay, so we have to write. So now this is the ith bit and this is the I minus 1 bit. So we have to write below the ith bit minus 1. Next one is 1 to 1. So 1 to 1 we will write it as 0. Next one 0 1. So 0 1 what we write? Plus 1. Okay, so that's why I write here. Sorry, I wrote here 1. Next one minus 1. Okay, next recoded multiplier. So next recoded multiplier. So this is the final result of recoded multiplier for that this example. Okay, so recoded multiplier. Okay, so we have to analyze with with this table. Then we have ith bit I minus 1 bit. Okay, so this is the final recoded multiplier. Next we will see the we have to see the example how we are going to be multiply one positive number and one negative number. So remember that whatever the positive number, either multiplier negative number or multiplying negative number, whatever it is, we have to write, we have to convert multiplier as a recorded. Okay, that means if you have my minus 13 plus 6, in that situation also we have to convert multiplier only. Okay, we have to recorded multiplier only. So what I am saying is, whatever the negative number, we need to convert this multiplier only. Okay, so see here how we are going to be convert. So this is the multiplier. So as usual we have to write, we have to place a most significant bit 0, so that it called as impaired 0. Okay, so once again I am repeating. So 0 0, we write it as 0 here. So we have to check like that only, 1 0. So 1 0, we write it as minus 1. Next one 0 1. So 0 1, we write it as plus 1. Next one minus 1. Next 1 1 0 0. Okay. So this is the recorded multiplier. Okay. Next coming to how we are going to be perform the multiplication operation with the recorded multiplier. Okay, next see this. So generally in previous example, in previous multiplication also we discussed, here we have 5 bits and here we have 5 bits, then compulsory in the result we have 10 bits. Okay, so that's why if here we have to sign bit extension, means if we have generally in the multiplication of 0 into something, we write it as 0 0 0 0 0, that means 5 times. Okay, but in the final result we have 10 bits, so that's why we have to extend whatever the last bit. Okay, whatever the last bit, that is going to be extended up to 10 bits. Okay, after that next one is, so general in multiplication we leave 1 bit. Okay, so see here, so here minus 1 is there. So how we are going to be multiply with the minus 1 means, so we have to convert that this multiplicand as 2's complement. So 2's complement means first we have to convert this one as 1's complement. That means 1 0 0 1 0. So this is the 1's complement. So we have to add plus 1 for this 1's complement, then we get so this is the 2's complement. Okay, so 2's complement means first we have to convert it as 1's complement and add 1 that one. Okay, so this is the multiplicand and we have to convert that it as 1's complement. So we have to add 1, then we got 2's complement. So for -1 we have to write 2's complement. Okay, so then here we have to leave one bit. Okay, so generally just now I told you we have to extend the sign bit. So here up to this we have to got this result. Okay, so here we have this result. Then 4 bits are left, means 4 bits are we have to place 4 bits, so we have to extend with this one, means whatever the last bit is there we have to extend it that bit only. Okay, next one is again +1, so +1 is as usual same number we have to write, so that's why. So here we have to left 3 bits, so we have to fill that it one as whatever the last bit that bit contain, whatever the last bit that we are going to be extended. Okay, here we have again we have to leave one bit, so we have this one, and we have 2 bits left, so we have to fill these 2 bits with 1. Okay, next 0. Okay, so here also we have to 2's complement. So I told you how we are going to be convert the 2's complement. So we have to convert first 1's complement, and that 1's complement we have to add 1, then we got 2's complement. So this is the normal multiplication. Okay, so in that we have to 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 means 0. Okay, so we have to add here. Okay, so previous multiplication what we discussed is same for this only, but the what is the change means, in previous example we don't recoded the multiplier, as it is we perform means unsigned multiplication. As it is we have to multiplier and multiplicand, we have to perform multiplication on both that numbers, but here we have to convert a multiplier. Okay, that means we have to recoded the multiplier. Okay, so here we have so why we are writing here 10 bits means, in the final result we got 10 bits. Okay, in the result we have 10 bits, that's why we have to write here 10 bits. Okay, how this is going to be filled means, whatever the last bit is there that is going to be extended. Okay, up to how many bits are came in result. Okay, so as usual in multiplication the next line we have to left 1 bit. Okay, in the similar manner this is going to be done. Okay, so this is the final example. Then we got -28, so we check with this as like I think you know that 2 0 2 power 1 2 square 2 cube 2 power 4 2 power 5. So in that manner what we have to check, this number is equal to -78 or not. Okay, so this is the signed multiplication. Briefly I am explaining once again. So in signed multiplication, why we go for signed multiplication means, we have to handle both positive numbers and negative numbers in the multiplication. So for that purpose we have to recoded the multiplier. How we are going to be recoded the multiplier means, so here we have to add 1 0 in the most significant bit. Okay, then we have to compare towards left side, but here we have to compare with the ith place and I minus 1. Okay, so check with this table and we have to recoded the multiplier. Okay, so I'm explaining once again how we are going to be recoded. Means if you have a 0 0, we have to write 0 0, and again we have to 0 0, that's why we have to write here 0, next one 1 0, that here we have minus 1, here 1 1 0, next 0 1 plus 1 1 1 0 minus 1. Okay, so this is the final result for the recoded multiplier. Okay, how we are going to be write this means with the help of this table only. Okay, so now we how we multiply with this recoded multiplier, we see one example. So that is plus 13 minus 16. So as usual, recorded multiplier we got. Then in the in general multiplication, 0 as usual we have to write 0. In minus 1 we have to write 2's complement of the multiplicand. Okay, so this is the signed multiplication. So thank you students.